I want you to take a look at this website over here, which gives people a done-for-you sales funnel, after email templates, high converting funnels, and a private group chat over here. All I did was copy the link of this website, came over to this website over here, and converted this website into a PDF. And by doing this, I've generated over $9,642 online so far using this strategy. I'll even reload this to show you that this is my live dashboard and not any kind of screenshots or anything like that. And there you can see that this is indeed my live dashboard. So far today, I've got over $130 in pending review, $250 from yesterday's available payout, which I can withdraw today, and a total of $9,563 paid out directly to my Bitcoin wallet, or it can be directly transferred to your bank account. Now, the reason why this works so well is because I'm giving tons of free value. One of the best ways to go about sales is to give value, give, and give, and eventually your leads or your clients will then give back to you. So over here is a website that I've gotten access to where you can sign up to this tool, which will give you a customized business strategy to follow, done for you affiliate marketing email templates, your own high converting funnel template that you can use, and a private group chat if you need help, which is a total value of $1,288, which you can now get completely for free with this page over here, and this page is not available on Google, and I'm going to show you how you can go and get access to your own version of this page to go and do this as well. So by giving this away, offering this PDF to other people, most people will read through this website, have a look at how they can claim their offers, and then it will upsell them to a paid offer, which is what has been bringing in all of these commissions. Because this free value over here of $1,288 that is given for free leaves your leads wanting more, hence why this converts so well. Without further ado, make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you how you can go and convert these websites into PDF, go and give them away, and generate commissions online. There's one or two steps that we need to cover in this video just to go and perfect this and make sure that it works. So it's super important that if you want this to work, sit with me through this 10-minute video, and I'll see you at the end and you'll be able to do this yourself. And just to help you guys out even more, I'm going to do an epic giveaway in today's video. I'm going to go and give you a free Snapchat course down below, which will teach you how to go and make money online with Snapchat. That will be the second link in the description. It's a free download. There's no upsell to any crazy $2,000 course. It's just a free little 17 video course for you to go and watch and learn more from. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go down below and leave a like on this video. And also make sure that you subscribe with the red notification bar on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. And thirdly, come over to my Instagram over here, give me a follow, and you'll be able to see some of my trading results and get a few signals on my story. And fourthly, you're going to come over to this website over here. Now make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal it in a bit. If you think you know what it is, comment down below, but let's continue with this. So this website is an all-in-one business in a box that gives you pretty much 100 tools, from a drag and drop website builder, real and complete graphic funnel builder, video hosting tools. You can create your own membership websites and sell your own courses, unlimited email marketing, automation systems, chatbots, booking calendars, checkout systems, e-commerce websites. You can build your own magazines, WordPress professional installations, your own chat builders, browser notifications, and there's so many other tools over here. Now this is a perfect tool for an all-in-one entrepreneurship and online business in a box. I honestly find this tool way better than Carter or ClickFunnels, and this tool you can actually access completely for free for your first month with tons of bonuses. So to go and get your website that looks like this, we need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the Build the Roll website over here. Go and click on affiliates under the home section. Just click on affiliates and it will take you to this page over here. Just scroll down a little bit and you can actually go and calculate what you're going to go and make from this tool. So if I scroll down, let's take a look here. If you can make, for example, 50 sales in 365 days, which is very doable, you will now be making $1,078 every single month for the rest of your life. And this is based on the smallest package. There's also bigger packages where you can make 3-4 times this. Let's say in the first year you get 1,000 people, which is doable. Now you're going to be making $21,000 every month. 10,000 people, when you really scale, $215,000 every month. And to go and become a 7-figure earner with this, you need 50,000 people referred to this program to make your first 7 figures in USD. Now to go and sign up to this, you can go and scroll down. How do I get started as an affiliate today? Click on option number 2. I use option number 1 because I use Builderall myself, so I'm also a Builderall customer. But if you don't want to be a Builderall customer and just be an affiliate, click on Builderall Solo Affiliates, apply to become an affiliate over here, and go and fill out all of this information for your YouTube channel or your Instagram and your Facebook page. You can just go and put that, how many leads in your email list. I recommend put nothing less than 3,000. How do you want to promote Builderall? Just type your email marketing in YouTube. What is your strategy to promote Builderall? To provide free tutorials and free value in return, people signing up. How long have you been working with digital marketing? Say nothing less than a year. What is the platform you're going to be creating your funnels and promote Builderall? You can just type ClickFunnels. So this will just give them an idea that you are serious in promoting Builderall. That is why you want to go and enter this information. Click on submit application, and once you've signed up, you're going to land on your dashboard that looks like this. So you can go and see your estimation for the next 30 days, your total overall earnings, all your leads, your referrals, your available earnings, etc., and just click get paid over here to go and get paid. But what we're going to go and do is on the left over here where you see Funnel Club, go and click on Builderall Premium Funnels, scroll down until you see this funnel over here called your first commission 5-day challenge. Go and copy your affiliate link and paste this in a new tab over here, which looks like this. So firstly, we've got a free training video over here, and this is an entire free value course for Builderall that will teach you how to get your first commission with Builderall. So over here, if you scroll down, this is basically what you're going to be going through, your 5-step system for your first commission, choosing your niche and product to earn from, and watch me build a business in 20 minutes. So this guy will teach you all of this live. And if you scroll down, when you're ready to sign up, he actually gives you over $1,288 worth of bonuses with this as well. Plus, all of this is included for free when you sign up for Builderall over here. So you just need to go and sign up for the free trial of Builderall to go and get all of this. So that lasts for 14 days. You're going to get a custom business strategy to follow, private group chat, and this is the website we're going to be using. Now, all I've been doing is I've been taking this website over here, turning it into a PDF on this website here. So you go and copy the link of this page, you go and paste it over here. This website is called web2pdf.com. Go and click on convert, and it will convert this entire website into a done for you PDF. When ready, go and click on download over here. It's a big download green button that looks like this, and it will download to your PC like this. Now what we can go and do is we want to go and edit this PDF. So we want to come over to Google and just go and search PDF editor, and there will be tons of free tools to go and edit your PDF. Let's just go and use the first one over here called seja.com. Click on upload PDF file and go and upload the same PDF that you've just downloaded. Highlight this button over here and just go and paste your affiliate link. So we're going to come back to this website over here where we're editing the PDF, paste it here, click on enter, and go and highlight this entire page. Just drag this link, drag the link down, and again go and paste your affiliate link. Now your PDF is done. So when you go and give away this PDF for people to go and claim their free value over here, it's a clickable link to your affiliate link to the actual website over here. So we're going to go and click on apply changes and go and click on download, and this PDF is now ready to go and do its magic. The next thing you want to do is come over to facebook.com, come over to groups, and go and search make money online. Now we're not going to go and spam this everywhere. We're not just going to go and copy and paste the same link into each and every group and hope people click on this link. There's going to be a brand new strategy that I've recently figured out with Facebook to master a viral ripple effect. It is something I created in yesterday's video as well. I'm using it again in today's video because it absolutely works. To the moon. So we're going to go and choose any one of these groups. Let's go and choose, for example, Make Money Online over here with 122,000 members. We can open this up. We want to go and click on write something over here, and we want to go and type out the following post. Hey guys, I recently created my first funnel that I got from Builderall. Builderall is giving away over $1,200 worth of funnels done for you email swipes and premium Telegram chat for help. You don't even need to pay for it. If you'd like to get access to this, do the following. 1, like this post. 2, share this post. 3, comment down below that you're ready, and I will DM everyone the link to this PDF resource and download page when all 3 steps are completed. So there's 2 things. So there's a couple of things I want you to take note of how I've structured this post. Firstly, you're getting everybody to engage, and Facebook groups and any kind of Facebook algorithm on the reels, the videos, the normal post feed, stories, engagement plays a big role on virality. So when the algorithm sees people are liking your post, commenting and sharing it, it automatically pushes it on the explore page where there are millions of people. So firstly, you're getting people to like your post, that's engagement. You're getting people to share your post to their feeds. So let's say everybody in this group, well not everybody, but there's over 122,000 people in this group. Let's say 10, 20, 30, even 100 people share this post on their feed. All of their followers are going to see your post, and if they share it, all of their followers see their post, and all of their followers see it as well. So this soon becomes from 5 people to 100 people to a ripple effect of 1,000, 10,000, 20,000 people, and this post automatically just gets a viral ripple effect. And thirdly, you're getting people to comment on your post, which again is more engagement, which plays a big role in virality. And once all these people have done these 3 things, you can go and send them the PDF document that we created earlier in this video. Obviously, if this post goes very viral and it gets to a point where you can't DM every single person, just go and leave the link to the PDF over here. So we can just literally go over to Docs. We can just come over to Google Drive. That's drive.google.com, which we then can just go click on the 3 dots, share, go and click on copy to anyone with link and copy link. Go and close this, and you can just go and paste the Google Drive link over here, and you can go and click on post. And that way you're going to get tons of downloads to your PDF document, which will be tons of clicks and leads to your affiliate link over here, which is how I've been able to get so many leads, so many clicks, and so many sales from this. It's just from using viral ripple effects, not only on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, you name it. There's so many different ways to get tons of traffic to this. Keep in mind of how many different groups there are to actually go and do this. There are so many groups with hundreds of thousands of people, which probably add up to millions of members over here on all of these groups. So go and join all of them, and you can go and replicate your viral post in giving away this PDF to everyone on this group by using this viral ripple effect strategy. It really works well, especially if you use it on multiple groups at the same time. But what I'll do is to help you out even more with Builderall over here and getting more sales and getting more clicks, building funnels, building an email list. I've got an entire Builderall course completely for free on YouTube, which is information I've learned from various courses over the different years. There's plus minus 60 to 70 videos in this playlist. So if you want to go and check that out, I will leave a link down below, and I'll also put it on the screen over here now. So you're welcome to go and click on this playlist over here. I really recommend that if you want to go and scale with Builderall. So click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.